Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Debo Locksmith here. I have an interesting one for you guys here, okay? This is a Ford Transit van. This is a 2013 Ford Transit van. This is the old style with the Tibby style keys. Okay, this one came with the Tibby style keys. Well, the cluster gauge was replaced on this vehicle. And once that was done, the vehicle would not start anymore. I've had this problem before on another customer. And the vehicle would not start. So today I'm going to show you how you can get the vehicle to start. Okay? So you want to have the Autel, the IM508. The Autel IM508. Okay, let me put it out here so you guys can see it. The Autel IM508. And then when you connect the Autel and you turn the ignition to the on position, you're going to want to go to diagnostics. You want to click on the diagnostics, not the emo. You want to go click on diagnostics. Most locksmiths will immediately go to emo because they think they got to reprogram the keys, but that's not the case. That comes later. So what you want to do is you want to, when you connect and you turn the ignition on, you want to go to diagnostics. Okay? And when you go to diagnostics, you're going to automatically read the vehicle and detect which one it is. Try to read it automatically. And then after you do that, you're going to go to service. You're going to click on service on your programmer. Okay? And when you click on service, you're going to get three selections. You're going to get the PCM. You're going to get, I forgot what the other selection is. And then you're going to get a chassis selection. You're going to select chassis. After you select chassis, then you're going to select security. And then when you select security, then you're going to select emo. The emo immobilizer information. You're going to click on that. And then it's going to tell you that you're about to reset the PATS security system. Okay. What that's going to do is, and it'll take about 10 minutes, as you guys can see, I'm doing it right now, right here. It's gaining security access. It's going to take about 10 minutes. And what's going to do is it's going to marry the cluster to the ECU, the PCM. And once that's done, then it's going to ask you to cycle the key on and off. With 3 seconds on and then off. Make sure you have the correct key chip. And then automatically what that's going to do is also program the key into the PCM. And the car will then start. I've not seen any videos on YouTube about this, but that's the way you do it. So with the Autel, you go to diagnostics. Once you go to diagnostics, you try to identify the vehicle automatically. And you're going to select service. Once you go to diagnostics, you're going to select service. Once you select service, then you're going to choose chassis. And once you select chassis, then you're going to go to the immobilizer. It's going to say IMMO. You click on that, and then it's going to start the process. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video right now because it's still in progress. And when I'm done, then I'm going to come back and show you. And we're going to do the key learning, and then the vehicle is going to start. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. And as you can see, the car is on and it's running now. Okay. The procedure was done. The 10 minutes went by. It reset. And then it said that you needed a new key to process the system. again. So with the key that was already in the ignition, I cycled it off and then cycled it on again, and then it pressed OK, did the programming, and the key is successful. So the way you guys are going to do it is like this. So this right here, you're going to start here. You're going to go to the diagnostic menu. Okay? And you're going to choose Ford. Okay? And you're going to go automatic selection. Read. Okay. So with the engine off and the ignition on, you're going to do this process. Yes. And then you select which one your car has. It's going to communicate with the vehicle. And then right here, you're going to go service. Then right here, you're going to select body. Right here, body. Sorry, it was not chassis. I said it was chassis. Actually, body. Select body. Security, right here. And then this is where you're going to click passive anti-theft system functions. You see? And then what it's going to do when you press OK, it's automatically going to go into access, security access. It's going to take 10 minutes. After it's done doing that, it's going to tell you that it was successful gaining access. You're going to press OK. And then it's going to tell you that a key is going to have to be learned into the system. That's where the key that you already have there, okay, comes into play. And then you're going to press OK. Then it's going to tell you to cycle on and then off the ignition. Press OK. And then it's going to, you see, it's going to go through the procedure, and then it's going to be done, and you'll be able to turn the car on. So this video is for you guys who have replaced your instrument cluster in your Ford Transit 2013 or older, and then the car doesn't want to start anymore. I haven't seen anyone on YouTube with these videos, so I hope this helps. Any questions, leave it in the comments. If you like this video and this content, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Deadbolt Locksmith. Have a good day.